Great try that was. He had to swerve the white ball around the pink. He certainly won't be trying to do that. It's all on the green. How did it stay out?
Great shot. Now this is even better than the last one. To leave it there. Wow.
Both players are having their lucky breaks, so what happens from here?
It isn't very much.
Mike's problem here, of course, is making the angle on the blue to get to the pink. Yes, and that's quite a good angle. He's left himself to pop the blue and take the cue ball to the...
Well, that's a beautiful pot. Certainly. Oh, and it's there. And surely he cannot miss the black. And just look at John. Well, words can't describe how John
fully deserves to win.
Wonderful, wonderful snooker.